Hello everyone, and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear your Microsoft Edge history. Let's get started. First thing to do is locate Microsoft Edge, go down to the search icon at the bottom, click it, and if you've not got a Microsoft Edge option, in the search box type Microsoft Edge. Once you get the best match, click it. Wait till it loads, then on the top right, look for the three lines, which is the settings menu, and click it. Scroll down to history. By the way, you can use Ctrl+H keyboard shortcut if you want. Click history. And finally, we have to do something else. We need to go up for more options. We need to go up to another row of three lines. Click that. Get more settings, more options, and then look for clear browsing data. Clear browsing data. Click clear browsing data. And we're taken to a new window. And currently, let's look at time range first. There's this box here we can use. We can click last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. It's up to you what you do with this time range. You can scroll down and have a look if there's anything you're glad or not wanting to include. For instance, if you look at the autofill form data, maybe you prefer having that form data easily available. You can tick the checkbox to uncheck it, and that will still be here after you clear your browser data. So one more check to make sure if you're quite happy with everything. And once you're ready, it's a simple case of clicking that Clear Now button. And that's it. Microsoft Edge web browser data has been cleared. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. And if you found it helpful, I would be grateful if you can click that like button. That helps the video. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, you can click or tap that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. And finally, if you want to be notified almost instantly when a new one of my videos is live on YouTube, you can click the notification bell to be informed when anything I do goes live. That's it. Thank you again for watching to the end of this video. It's much appreciated. Thank you for your valuable time. Take care everyone, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye for now.